This is a wild story about a director who set out to find errors in the Quran.
You see, Gazi Rakayet, a sharp engineer and filmmaker, wasn't looking for faith at all.
So, where did this all start? Well, with a massive crisis of faith.
A tragic death in the family completely shattered his worldview. He became a staunch atheist. So his new mission became purely intellectual. He'd read the Quran with just one goal in mind:
To tear it apart scientifically and logically. He was determined to prove it wrong.
But something weird happened. Instead of errors, he found verses that felt oddly scientific.
Like this one, it talks about the sun and moon, each traveling in its own orbit.
Now, get this. We only confirmed the sun's orbit in the 20th century using modern telescopes. And it wasn't just science. Rakayet started to see what he believed was a hidden mathematical code. The key to this code? An ancient system called Abjad, where every Arabic letter has a number.
So he zoomed in on chapter 57, Al-Hadid. In English, that literally means the iron.
He found the letters for Hadid add up to 26, which, crazily enough, is iron's atomic number. Wait, it gets wilder. The chapter and word values seemed to perfectly match iron's chemistry.
But the math didn't stop there. Next up, one of the most famous numbers in the universe.
Yup, the golden ratio, that magic number you see everywhere, in nature, in art, all over the place. Okay, he ran this super complex calculation on all the chapter and verse numbers. The answer, 1.618. Rakayet basically says, no way a human could have written this. He thinks it's mathematically impossible. So all of this evidence piling up, it completely flipped his entire worldview on its head. He went from seeing a random universe to one that felt intentionally designed, like a hidden code. The seeker, who started with logic, found himself facing a system he believed could only be divine. For Gazi Rakayet, the path from skepticism to belief wasn't paved with dogma but with data.